What is going on YouTube? It is your boy Wes. Welcome back to What's Cooking, the channel where I give you recipes on any and everything. So today I'm going to be making you all a candy corn cocktail. One for adults and one for kids, made with real candy corn vodka that I made yesterday. So let's go ahead and get into it. So here I have the candy corn vodka that I made, like I said, yesterday. It's this beautiful orange color. I start off with putting some candy corns in a mason jar and then following that up with some vodka. And I'll put the measurements down below if you want to make your own. So once your vodka's made and you're ready to start your drink, you're going to start by pouring the vodka into your shaker. I'm using a mason jar today because I can't find my shaker. But then you're going to follow that up with some pineapple juice, and you have lime juice is optional. I like the taste of it, but you can omit it if you want to. Then you're going to give it a good shake. Then you're going to pour it over some more ice. Then on the side, you're going to pour down some grenadine just so it gets down to the bottom and creates that first bottom layer of a candy corn. Then to create that third layer, you're going to use some whipped cream from the can. So now that you have all three layers, you have successfully created a candy corn cocktail for adults. Now let's make one for the kids. We're going to start by scooping some pineapple sherbet into our mug of whatever size you choose. But make sure you put enough at the bottom to create a nice thick layer of the white. So now with the back of a spoon, you just want to take it and flatten it out and get it all nice and even so that you can have a flat layer to put the next layer on. And you can just take a paper towel to clean out the inside of the rim so that it's all see-through again. So now to start the second layer, we're going to pour over some mandarin oranges, as many as you like. Then you're going to go with the pineapple just to get it up to the top and flatten it out. Then you want to pour over some Sprite or club soda or something clear just so you can keep the see-through effect. And then you have a candy corn mocktail cocktail for the kids. You know, they're honestly super easy to make, and it'll have you lit while they're jumping off the wall, and you won't even care, like, I promise. But thanks for joining me today. I'm so happy y'all are here. I am super appreciative of y'all. I really am. But go ahead and like, comment, subscribe if you're new. If you've been here for a while, thank you. Thank you. Like, words can't express it. But until next time, y'all take care, be safe, happy Halloween, and social distance. Peace out.